Guys, welcome back to my channel, Cheerio Cam. Today we are going to be making soup. Alright, so this is everything that I use for my soup. All the seasonings. Yes, you know, the essentials. Yep. And we are just going to get into this video. So I started by boiling the biggest pot of water that I had. And this is what I'm going to use to essentially make the whole thing of soup. I'm going to season it. And I had some drumsticks, some chicken drumsticks that I pre-seasoned with all those seasonings that you saw. And I'm just going to go ahead and throw those inside of the boiling water once it gets to a boil. This is so I can make the broth. Like I said, I let that kind of cook, not completely, but pretty much for the most part. So I let that boil for probably, I don't even know how long, but I periodically checked on it to get these little bubbles out, like the chicken scum. I don't know. It looks like soap scum, but it's not. It's chicken scum. So, yeah. I then went ahead and cut up all my vegetables, and then I'm going to pre-season my vegetables as well before I put them in the pot with the boiling water. So yeah, I just basically pre-season all the vegetables and stuff with all the seasonings that I do for the chicken. I then go ahead and take all of the chicken out of the pot. Ooh. Look at that broth. And then I add the vegetables. Yep. Look at that broth with that soup, okay? So I'm going to let those vegetables cook up until they're nice and soft and tender. Took the chicken off the bone. I'm going to cut that up a little bit. And then add that back in the pot. I then take some more chicken broth and put it in the pot to make my noodles. Alright, the noodles are done. It's time to make our plate. I'm then just going to go ahead and add some veggies and some chicken with some broth. And bon appetit. That is the finished soup. It was so good. I ended up saving some. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.